What's up, you degenerates? Scott Barnes here, and we've got a awesome session going on with Vegas Gamblers. Haven't done a review on them, I don't believe, before. And yeah, let's just hop into it, have some fun. Like, you guys go over to Vegas Gamblers. I'll put the link in the description, and yeah, go over there, like, subscribe.
We're ready.
6 sessions at the end of the day, 1 hour 45, G1, most of
do
it
some
ever.
high-limit blackjack,
This is video
$100
1 of 6.
minimums
Next day
for
is
me,
Friday. Okay.
$2,500
So looks like this
buy-in.
is a series.
Don's our dealer today. Hello, world. And then Tanya's here as well.
Hi, everyone.
Let's get started.
I'm going to be messing around with a lens while we watch
For a
this,
good
so
day. Second time doing high
I'm going to pay
limits,
attention
right?
as much as I can. Bear with me.
First one didn't go so well, as we were just talking about that. And Jake stuff.
Ooh, that's a heavy lens.
So anyway, I told him what time you guys were here, what the stream might be or not. And I expect my little brother will be popping in.
Oh,
He's
cool.
out here visiting from North Carolina.
He's visiting you
Yep. He comes out here every year.
from Cali?
North Carolina.
North Carolina. What part of
From
North Carolina?
Cali.
I live in Fayetteville.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Or Fayetteville.
Yeah, we
Sorry, I
love
said
North
it wrong.
Carolina.
I said it wrong. 19. He's out there with his dad. Actually, my half brother. He's my brother.
There's no way.
Brother,
this is
man.
gonna fit.
16.
No way.
Come on, Don. Show us.
Oh, you guys can afford it. Dude. Oh, grab your phone. Even electronics, probably fine.
What? I don't know what you're
Come
saying.
to think of it, you guys kind of have an exemption anyway. It's probably fine.
400.
Just like reflex. Phone. None.
Oh my gosh, stop it. 800. Oh yes, come on, do it.
You're hilarious. Come on.
This bus.
Yes.
Nice.
JB, hit it high, babe. Hit it high. Yay.
That was good. Good sound effects.
Oh my god, I get so into it. I don't hide it, man.
You
You
gotta
know?
record that.
I don't hide it.
Yeah, no, you gotta enjoy your wins. I see people
I don't hide it.
hit jackpots and just not even flinch and just go
Yeah.
to that machine while they wait for
Yeah.
the money. And I'm just like, why are you even doing it? You gotta enjoy your wins.
You got there 250 for editing? Okay, cool. Thank you.
This is
No,
50.
no.
Something insurance is closed.
Don't you do it. Son of a bee. Bee means best. Son of a best.
Oh, I love it.
I would never call you swear names.
Yo, I got this new lens, man. I love it right now.
Good. I feel like a Coca-Cola today.
Double.
JB?
Yes.
Come on.
Waters?
Sure. All right. 500.
Starting out strong. I like it.
I like it. No,
10, 10. No way that just happened. Okay, sorry. One of your viewers said that I should shut my reactions up because it influences your play. Too bad.
It just sounds like somebody not having fun.
I'm just having fun. That's what we're not here. This isn't our day job. I'd like it to be. I'd like it to be our day job.
250.
Oh, I thought you had it.
Hardwood.
I thought you had it.
Yeah.
Get my glasses.
All right.
Nice.
200.
Cautiously optimistic.
Yes, I know we're all just totally silent
Right,
now.
don't talk about
We don't say
it.
anything.
Don't mention it.
300 on this.
All right. Back in play.
Doubles on all my picks.
Is it 2 through 7? And a 7 you double? Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I think it's 2 through 6.
It's 2 through 6. Yeah, sorry. So if you
Nice. Definitely will
one
need
more
it.
high, one
Not
more high.
not a double, but I felt it. I felt
It wasn't a double.
My understanding is 9 against 5 and 6.
Yeah,
yours
but
is
like
more
this is
aggressive.
where the gut
It's
comes in, in my
2 through 6.
It's 2
opinion.
through 6, yeah. I screwed that up, but I paid off.
Yep. I was feeling it. You're on a run. You're hitting all your doubles. Go with it. You know?
That's the key. That's the key.
Leave the 300 out now.
Nice.
Donnie D's on the backup. The assist. Oh my gosh, first session of the day, we just need to go home. It's not even that much money, but can I tell the viewers, JB?
This
what
is a
happened
pretty
last
sweet
weekend?
lens, man. I dig it.
300 out.
It's
I'll do it
heavy
at the
too.
shuffle.
It's all my stuff.
Gosh, thank you. I'm a marketer by trade, you know. It's my life every day.
All right, Tom.
Second here?
You were
The
saying
shuffle, okay.
something.
I feel like
Hold
every
on, everybody, but
game,
for the first
every
time
gambler
20 years ago,
that does
like
these
Tanya
should have
crushed
a
it
balance on
at
there. I
Resorts
really like how
World.
they do
Last
that.
weekend, I won $17,000. I did an accidental bet on a $50 slot machine.
That sounds like the
I
biggest
was supposed
lie
to be
ever.
$5, it was $50, and on the first spin I hit $7,000. That's
On an
amazing numbers it is.
accidental.
I'll put the
Oh,
pictures up
dang
right
it!
now.
She
Then
didn't
I
lie.
had 4,800 at the bar because I had to go ahead and cocktail to chill out.
Whatever. Do I
While I
believe
was
it?
waiting for
I
my
don't know.
cocktail, I hit 4,800 at a bar top game. Walked to the high limit room, played Wild Orchid for $40.
That's a pretty
spin on
sweet
Thursday, I
lens.
won
I'm gonna dig that
$1,500.
lens for a bit.
And I left with 15,000. So that was pretty awesome. I still stayed and
Tell me
Yeah, you
some
gotta
of
tell
that
them
money.
how you did that first.
right. I told them that I did an accidental $50 bet and I
okay.
thought it was $5. And then the
Yeah.
lady came to pay me and I was shaking. My hands were shaking. Not that, I mean, I do
Really?
$25, $30 bets a lot, you know, but that was just the chances of hitting that on an accidental $52 bet. Now, and
It's
when
like
you
those
start
side
winning,
bets, you know?
This big coin flips over and goes, Gray,
It's
I'm
different.
jackpot. I'm like, what? Is it? Did I just win there?
Made $1,900.
That could have been real ugly. JB was in Chicago for the weekend. I had the whole weekend in a suite.
Well, we're
by
gonna
myself.
find out right
Crazy,
here.
But I did it. I did pretty good.
This works.
I could have won 27,000. Maybe you guys don't know it. Anyways, it was cool,
That
guys.
is so cool.
It was a great
That is
story.
what makes
Yeah,
it-
best gambling story
Yeah.
ever.
That everybody lives for.
Really?
It really is. Now they owe me about blank,
Really?
blank, blank more.
Yeah.
I don't know if this one's gonna work or not. 12, 19. Nice. Well, that might work.
That'd be an issue. Yeah. All right. Take a couple back.
Get my hands back, it's not the money.
Dude, by one. Good session so far.
What are we, 2 for 2 so far? 3 for 3?
4.
Oh, you busted. I didn't even notice.
That's
oh.
at least number 4.
Yeah.
That's
What's
the
that by
key.
4?
Hitting the double.
That's the difference, though. See how much we're up?
Yeah,
And
the
then,
difference is-
last time we couldn't hit a double the same
Oh,
round.
that was huge. Everybody
You
focuses
see
on
that
getting.
counter guy, he goes, this guy, this poor guy
Yeah.
never wins his doubles. I'm like, actually, he does pretty okay, but when we went high limit, we did not.
200 on this one.
Sure, sure.
Got it. Is this second show?
Would you split those?
That's
You gotta.
16.
No way. Take it.
Wow.
Oh,
Oh, Tom.
No way.
That was mean.
Well, can you do, man? You can only try, right?
Wow.
That's a double.
That's it. That's all it comes with. I'm gonna have to get a freaking.
Yeah, I knew it.
Yeah, it was too good to be
We
true.
were talking about
Yes,
4 in a row.
I know.
Is that the detail?
Just if you start thinking about the odds,
Craps
yeah.
is worse about that. You can't even say. You say number 7. Instant 7. Yeah. See? I gotta say the number.
6, 7, 8. 6.
16.
Who's on the 100?
Yeah. I like this shoe.
Hang back, take your time.
All right, got cushion now.
Yeah.
Now it's just a question of seeing you hold on
Steady,
to it.
exactly.
An hour and a half.
See, yeah, we got an hour and a half to go. I think this will be the last one.
18.
Nice. As we were talking about whether we like when we first get to the casino or at the end. It's
It
rough.
is.
It's a rough call.
We normally always 200 on this, so $300 win there. We normally always hit early, which sucks because you play and then
And you
lose.
play it
it.
through, yeah.
You can come to play. It's kind
But
of
then it takes the
fun.
pressure off too. So if you do hit early, it's like then you have a better time.
Playing on house money is the best, man.
300.
I like it. Oh yeah, baby.
Yo, last hand of the shoe.
Come on, one more
Yeah.
time. One more time.
Doing that.
Just bust it.
Oh, big. 17.
Okay, come on.
18.
Yes.
all you
John,
need.
you're
That's all you
doing
need.
very good today,
I'll
John.
give you one black.
You can give
No, you should read me.
Hold on. Oh, I can screenshot that.
I think you could be like, the day I got all the black.
Hey, look at this stack, guys. It's nuts.
Also more impressive than I'm gonna bury you in a pile of chips, sir.
Do it, John. I dare you to do that.
No.
It's been more than double.
Oh, there's Troy.
You're not a gambler. You're smart. You're smart. I my cards everywhere. They're all over the house.
More than double their stacks so far.
I'm not thinking about it. I'm not looking at it
I
because
could. It's the first time I've ever done that after 2 shoots.
it makes me nervous. So I just try not to count your money. I don't look at it. I wait. Then I'm looking like, oh my gosh.
This lady's hilarious.
Gotta say, she is hilarious.
10. 21.
Oh my gosh, John.
How many?
Ah,
Damn.
you must have willed it into the universe. Just
Going on a little
started
heater.
it all right.
Manifesting.
I would
Sorry,
definitely
guys.
try
That
to
was
double
kind of
that.
surprising.
6 for 7.
Oh, ace. Never so excited that ace.
Talk crap.
Tough crap.
Nothing. 19.
This could be our first winning, real winning. Yeah. Got $150.
17. Ooh, 22, good ace.
Thanks for the ace.
Good ace.
Barely.
Good ace.
Got 3.
Ace.
No,
Sometimes that works. 15, nice, JD.
leave it 300.
Getting on that soft 17 will either make you or break you.
2 20s in a row. Perfect.
Hey, he's got a little heater. I like this.
It's gonna be a good day tonight to keep this up.
Yeah. And you guys are going to be able to find it.
Come on, one more. Let's go. One big one. Was it 100?
Go buy a restaurant.
All right, 14.
Good thing I pulled it back.
Yes,
More than
yeah,
a
absolutely.
$600 loss.
Yep.
Oh, yeah. Good hit.
Yeah. Good timing on those two.
Oh yeah, so I mentioned to you guys yesterday a viewer came by to visit. His name was Ruben. Shout out to Ruben.
Hi, Ruben. Thanks for
Ruben?
watching.
just moved to Vegas from San Diego.
Was it
Cool, maybe we'll see
16?
him here.
Yeah.
Yeah, he said he might come back.
Yeah.
Good guy. Marine. That says it all.
John's dad was a Marine too, so
Is a
much respect. Was.
Long way out. There's only, it's like
Well,
the
first of
mafia.
all,
There's
your
only
dad
one
begs
way
the
out.
difference.
Let's see if you would stand on
No,
16. Let's see
your
what he
dad,
had.
your dad does. He got Marine. He has Marine
Lose,
stuff
lose.
everywhere. Car, home.
Yeah.
He is still a Marine, even though he's 76 years old.
20. Oh,
John.
It's all right. Small bets always. The small ones win the thing.
Okay.
all right.
There you go. That's an official blackjack.
All right.
Okay.
Enough.
Yeah, no, I'm not real
Enough.
excited about that.
Yeah, right?
You know,
Get
it takes a little bit more to
done.
get me going.
Get done, Lisa.
I'm excited about everything.
Silence it right now.
I'm always kidding. I hope people realize that.
We have the 250 ride here. Yeah.
Ugh. Still would have lost.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
All right, I'm going to flip that over.
Wrong timing on the.
Yeah, well, you didn't put it out there not to win. Yeah.
Made up for it.
The winner,
That
yeah,
easy
that's
win.
right. I mean,
Win
it's
it out.
$150.
We'll do 150. My standard
Yes,
is
winning session. Yes. Bust it, Don. Bust it. Oh, you had to make your point,
Still.
didn't you?
great session.
Play for
That
1
was
hour,
fun.
40
I
minutes
mean,
total. We tipped 500.
What?
445, 47.
All right, cool,
So
man.
we made a-
It wasn't the most like
2200.
crazy blackjack session. I know I kind of wasn't like, I don't want to say super paying attention, but I wanted to get some new content up there. I really want to start looking out for some definitely some new. I'm just looking here, just some new Dana. I miss Dana. Where is he? Steve will do it. They're working too much. Let's have some fun. All right, guys. Hope you have a great weekend. I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.